What's the best way to attach the shirt stays to your shirt? So I have a dress shirt here. You want to lay it on a flat surface. It could be your bed. It doesn't really matter. This is the back of the shirt. Here you have the seam on both sides. So you want to go somewhere towards the center of the back of the shirt. So you just want to make sure that you find the proper place to attach the shirt stays clip. Once you do that, you want to take the Y part of the shirt stay. You want to attach it to the back of the shirt. And the other leg, you want to attach it towards the front of the shirt. You want to do the same thing to both sides. You also want to make sure that you match them as close as possible so you can get a consistent tuck. So once you've attached the shirt stays, they're going to look like this. Okay. So at that point, the shirt has the shirt stays fully attached to them. Now it's just a matter of putting on your shirt, buttoning it up, and then attaching it to your socks. So these are the ones that attach to your socks. Hope this helps.